Good morning everyone. So after kong mag-training for 2 days, unti-unti akong gumawa ng sarili kong setup. Pero yung setup na to wala pa siyang solar. So what I did is bumili muna ako ng inverter. So itong inverter na ito is off-grid, Samdon and toroidal solar inverter na merong 1000 watts rated power and battery input or 12 volt system voltage. So yun naman battery natin is Gen-type power, 12.8 volts, 100 ampere hour. And bumili rin ako ng DC MCCB. So yan, 100 amp. Computed yan kasi after the training, nag-practice na akong gumawa ng load analysis. Ayan. Ito, medyo mataas yung load nito. So, from load analysis, sizing of panels, number of PV panels, sizing of inverter, sizing of battery connections, ayan. Kaya lang, medyo hindi kaya yung budget nito. And at the same time, pinagkaaralan ko pa lang naman. Although I'm also an engineer, marine engineer, so hindi ko kabisado yung solar panel requirements, kaya nag-training kami. And then bumili rin ako ng breaker, ayan, dalawang AC. Ayan. So ito ay 10 amps. Kasi mababa lang yung load. Kasi from this load analysis, in-adjust ko yung computation ko, yan, different loads, yan. In-adjust ko yung computation ko para pang backup lang talaga, parang UPS, ayan. So, yung pinakamababa ang kinuha ko. Kasi mahirap i-push yung solar panel mo pagka sa malalaking load, baka masunog yung ating mga component. Kaya ang ginawa ko, dalawang ilaw, 7 watts. So total of 14 watts, 8 hours na gamit, 112 watt hour for a day. Isang electric fan na 50 watts, 8 hours na gamit, so 400 watt hour in a day. So Wi-Fi, 15 watts. Siyempre, 24 hours, 360 watt hour. So, 872 watt hour ang total daily consumption para magamit ko to sa mga specified numbers of hours, 8, 8, and 24 hours. So, binabaan ko lang para, of course, for example, merong computer, laptop, ganun, magagamit ko pa rin siya. So, may mga computation. Sizing of PV panels, number of PV panels, sizing of inverter, sizing of battery, and also nga pala sa mga nagtuturo sa DIY, maraming salamat, malaking bagay din yun bukod sa training. And then bumili ako ng mga cables, ayan. Dito sa inverter meron siyang tinatawag na negative and positive. So naka-color code naman yan. The red is for positive and the black is for negative. So kinonect ako dito sa DC MCCB o DC circuit breaker. So malaki to, it heavy duty para kung may malaking current, hindi mag-iinit ka agad. Hindi ako gumamit ng maliliit kasi malaki yung current na dumadaan dito. So as per my computation, malaki siya kaya dinagdagan ko nilakihan ko. Even the wire nilakihan ko, computed yan. Then i-connect ko siya dito sa battery, same. Ayan, negative is red and positive is red and negative is black. Ayan. So, since this is a DC, you have to be sure, 100% sure, dapat tama yung connection mo. Papansin niyo red, kinonect ako dito, the other side is red, and also to the inverter is red. Kasi the moment na magkamali yan, I don't know what will happen, but for sure, may masisira. And this is Samdon, is around 11,000 now, and this Gen-type power battery is also around 11,000. So, yun yung mga major components na pwedeng masira. And then, I connected the AC breaker 10 amps Kasi nung kinumpute ko to, ang requirements ko lang is 1,000 divide 220, mababa lang around 5 amps. So, dinagdagan ko. Ginawa ko 10 para in case na mayroong surge. And then, ikinonekta ko naman doon sa ilalim, mapapansin nyo, yun, mayroong tinatawag na AC input and AC output. The AC input, ikinonekta ko sa breaker, and at the same time, ito yung ipa-plug natin dito sa socket ng bahay. So ito ngayon yung magiging supply ng inverter for charging. Kasi wala pa akong solar panel. If ever na magkaroon tayo ng solar panel, ito dito siya. And then the moment na meron ng charge, yung system, dito naman lalabas sa output. Yan, para makagamit na tayo ng, halimbawa, brown out na, may charge na yung battery natin. Yan, pwede na nating magamit ito. Ayan, ito na siya. Ayan. Gumawa na ako ng, small lang yung mga wire na ginamit ko kasi ang plano ko lang naman talaga is maliliit na load. So yung mga nakikita nyo na matataas na load, malalaking requirements ng wire noon. But if you understand naman kung ano yung dapat mo ilagay, for example, magcha-charge lang ako ng cellphone, I don't need a bigger wire kasi magastos din yun. Wi-Fi, and then isang electric fan, which is the normal load sa bahay. And this is also an experimental. First thing is, during the commission, you have to make sure that all wires are connected properly. Red should be connected to red, and red of the battery, which is the positive. Black, which is for the negative, should be connected at the same time with the negative terminal on the other side of the circuit breaker and on the negative side of the battery. If not, magkakaproblema talaga. Yan. So, and then, kailangan yung mai-connecta, siguraduhin yung lahat ng wire ay walang mga open insulations para hindi delikado pagka inoperate. Okay. So that is for commissioning.